July 31, 2022, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn are scattered across the plane of the solar system before sunrise. The crescent moon, displaying Earthshine, is visible in the west after sundown. Chart caption, 2022, July 31, brilliant Venus is low in the east-northeast, near Castor and Pollux, during morning twilight. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:44 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:10 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. At month's end, the sun is in the sky 14 hours, 26 minutes, nearly 50 minutes shorter than at the summer solstice. Morning sky. 4 bright planets are strung along the plane of the solar system, from the east-northeast horizon to the southwest. 1 hour before sunrise, find brilliant Venus low in the east-northeast. Find a clear horizon in that direction. The planet is slowly sliding into bright twilight. Venus is stepping eastward in Gemini. This morning, Castor and Pollux, the twins, are over 10 degrees to the left of the morning star. A binocular may be helpful to see them. Venus does not fit into a binocular field with either star, but both stars fit together in the same field of view. Chart caption, 2022, July 31, in the east-southeast, Mars is approaching the Pleiades. Mars is higher in the east-southeast. Currently, it is marching eastward in Aries toward a conjunction with the Pleiades star cluster on August 20. This morning, the red planet is less than 14 degrees to the right of the cluster. Chart caption, 2022, July 31, Jupiter and Saturn are in the southern sky before daybreak. Looking southward, bright Jupiter is over halfway up in the sky. It is retrograding in Cetus. Look for the creature's tail, Deneb Kaitos, to the lower left of Jupiter and about halfway to the horizon. Saturn is over 20 degrees above the southwest horizon and over 45 degrees to the lower right of Jupiter. The ringed wonder is retrograding in eastern Capricornus near the stars Deneb Algedi and Nashira. Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish, is low in the south-southwest and below Scot, the lower leg of Aquarius. The 4 bright planets stretch over 143 degrees from Venus to Saturn. During August, Saturn becomes more difficult to see as Venus rises. On August 28, Saturn sets as Venus rises, and after this date, the 2 planets do not appear together in the morning sky for this appearance of Venus. Venus rejoins Saturn in the evening sky later in the year. What is the last date you see Venus and Saturn together at the extremes of our morning view of the solar system's plane? Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, July 31, the crescent moon is low in the west after sundown. Mercury is starting its worst appearance of the year for Northern Hemisphere sky watchers. This evening it sets only 49 minutes after sunset. At its best, it sets about an hour after sundown, but it is visible during quite bright twilight. After sunset, the crescent moon, 10% illuminated, is about 10 degrees up in the west and about the same distance below Dimboola, Leo's tail. Photo caption, 2021, January 15, the thin waxing moon with Earthshine, reflected sunlight from Earth's features gently illuminates the lunar night. Tonight, and for the next few evenings, look for Earthshine on the moon. This is from sunlight reflecting from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land to gently light up the lunar night. A tripod-mounted camera making exposures up to a few seconds capture Earthshine. Saturn rises before the lunar scene occurs in the western sky. It is nearing opposition where Earth passes between it and the Sun. Chart caption, 2022, July 31, 3 hours after sunset, Jupiter and Saturn are in the eastern sky. By 3 hours after sunset, Saturn is low in the southeast, while Jupiter is above the eastern horizon. Mars follows the Jovian giant across the horizon about 90 minutes later. By an hour before sunrise, Saturn, Jupiter and Mars have shifted farther westward, while Venus is low in the east-northeast. The members of this planet parade are separating slowly. 2022, July 31, brilliant Venus is low in the east-northeast, near Castor and Pollux, during morning twilight.